Hey everyone, as you saw by the timestamp, this is a really short video. What this is a case study. I did a workshop on After Effects for architecture students. So in preparation for that workshop and that actual workshop, I documented the process. After seeing countless of After Effects tutorials on YouTube, I put something together with my architectural renderings and animations with what I had picked up on YouTube that I found most useful directly for architects. If you like how the animation came out, consider hitting the like button below, and if you didn't, leave a comment and let me know why. How could I make the animation any better? Maybe I'll repost an updated version later along as I get better at After Effects or animation in general. Also, I've edited the workshop and posted it on YouTube, so if you'd like to check out those tutorials out, I've put cards at the end of this video.
You can buy their different packs. So under free section over here,